The history of the Regina Music Box started with a German company.
During the company's time in business between the 1890s and 1920, they produced about 100,000 of these machines, and due to two major scrap metal drives from the two world wars, a relative few of these survived. Between the metal discs and the components inside, they were quite valuable to the government.
And the McKinley Tariff, which made it cheaper to open a manufacturing company here in America. It quickly became independent and the leading manufacturer of music boxes in America. Wind-up music boxes on a snow globe or jewelry box work just like this, except here the teeth are plucked with a punctured disc, allowing the tune to be interchangeable.